Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. In today's video, let's have a look at GK questions on books and authors. Which former Chief Justice of India released the book Chief Minister's Diary No. 1? The answer is Ranjan Gogoi. Former Chief Minister of India Ranjan Gogoi released the book Chief Minister's Diary No. 1. What is the genre of Shantanu Gupta's book Ajay to Yogi Adityanath? The answer is graphic novel. What does Abhay Khe's book Nalanda delve into? The answer is ancient seat of learning in Bihar. The book delves into the history of the ancient seat of learning, Nalanda in Bihar. What is the title of Ruskin Bond's book? The answer is The Golden Years, The Many Joys of Living a Good Long Life. Who is the author of the book Guts Amidst Bloodbath? The answer is Aditya Bhushan. Next question. What does Dr. Manoj Kumar's book Supreme Court on Commercial Arbitration cover? The answer is Commercial Arbitration Judgments. Who secured the estimated title of IWUF, that is International Wushu Federation Female Athlete of the Year? The answer is Draupadi Murmu. What is the title of the book authored by Kasturi Ray telling the story of a tribal girl? The answer is Draupadi Murmu, A Journey to Success. Why was Rupi Kaur's book Milk and Honey banned in some US classrooms? The answer is Exploration of Sexual Assault and Violence. Who authored the book titled Made in India 75 Years of Business and Enterprise? The answer is Amitabh Kant. What is the title of the book written by Shashi Shekhar Vempati, former CEO of Prasar Bharati? The answer is Collective Spirit, Concrete Action. Who authored the book Reflections, providing a detailed account of experiences in the financial landscape of India? The answer is Narayanan Vagul. Who revealed the book Saurashtra Tamil Sangam Prashasti, authored by Somnath Sanskrit University? The answer is Narendra Modi. What is the title of Amitabh Ghosh's new fiction book set to release in July 2023? The answer is Smokes and Ashes. What is the title of the autobiography launched by tennis legend Jaydeep Mukherjee? The answer is Crosscourt. Who unveiled the book Sachin at the rate 50, celebrating a maestro on Sachin Tendulkar's 50th birthday? The answer is Boria Majumdar. What's the title of the coffee table book launched by State Bank of India? The answer is The Banker to Every Indian. Who co-authored the book titled The Great Bank Robbery, NPA Scam and the Future of Regulation? The answer is Pattabhiram and Sabyasachi Das. What is the title of the book written by journalist Piyush Bable? The answer is Gandhi, Politics and Communalism. Who is the author of the book Quoting India, England, Mughal India and the Origins of Empire? The answer is Nandini Das. Where was the book War and Women launched during the 52nd session of the United Nations Human Rights Council? The answer is Geneva, Switzerland. Who authored the children's book titled Why Can't Elephants Be Red? The answer is Vani Tripathi Tikko. Perumal Murugan's novel Pyre has been nominated for which literary prize? The answer is International Booker Prize. What's the title of the book that chronicles the life and times of filmmaker Basu Chatterjee? The answer is Basu Chatterjee and Middle of the Road Cinema. What's the title of Gulham Nabi Azad's autobiography? The answer is Azad. Shriman Kotki's first English book is titled Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja. Who translated the book? The answer is Dilip Chavan. Who is the author of the book A Matter of the Heart, Education in India? The answer is Anurag Behar. Who is the author of the book Snakes in the Ganga, Breaking India 2.0? The answer is Sri Rajiv Malhotra and Mrs. Vijaya Vishwanathan. What's the title of the book launched by MOSPI Rao Inderjit Singh? The answer is Women and Men in India 2022. Rachna Biswat Rawat recently wrote a book titled Bipin, the Man Behind the Uniform. What is the book about? The answer is The Life of Bipin Rawat. Who released the book India's Struggles for Independence, Gandhian Era? The answer is Justice V. Ramasubramanian. Who served as the Cabinet Secretary from 2007 to 2011 and wrote the book As Good as My Word? The answer is K.M. Chandrasekhar. What's the title of the book written by former MP Dr. Karan Singh that was released by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar? The answer is Mundaka Upanishad, The Gateway to Eternity. Next question. Dr. Manshukh Mandavia unveiled a book titled India's Vaccine Growth Story at World Book Fair 2023. Who authored the book? The answer is Sajjan Singh Yadav. Who edited the short stories collection The Book of Bihari Literature released by Bihar Ministry of Industry, Samir Kumar Mahaseth? The answer is Abhay Kumar. What's the title of the book launched by BJP National President JP Nadda in Chanakyapuri? The answer is option C. Modi Shaping a Global Order in Flux. Our next question. What's the title of Salman Rushdie's new novel released recently? The answer is Victory City. What does the 2-volume box set The Best of Satyajit Ray's offer a glimpse into? The answer is option C. Satyajit Ray's literary works. Penguin Random House India announced the release of the English translation of the Nepali novel Phulangi. Who is the author? The answer is Leknath Chetri. Who authored the book The Poverty of Political Economy, How Economists Abandon the Poor? The answer is Meghnad Desai. Which book was written by Dr. Ashwini Fernandez? The answer is India's Knowledge Supremacy, The New Dawn. Who co-authored the book Coaching Beyond, My Days with the Indian Cricket Team? The answer is R. Kaushik and R. Sridhar. Which book was released by Tamil Nadu Health Minister M. A. Subramanian? The answer is Come, Let's Run. What's the title of the book about Irfan Khan's life? The answer is Irfan Khan, A Life in Movies. Who released the book Revolutionaries, The Other Story of How India Won Its Freedom? The answer is Amit Shah. Which book was launched by Health and Family Welfare Minister Manshukh Mandavia? The answer is Braving a Vital Storm, India's COVID-19 Vaccine Story. Who assisted Prince Harry in writing his memoir Spare? The answer is J.R. Mehringer. Which book was written on veteran writer and lyricist Javed Akhtar? The answer is Jhadunama. Who released the autobiography of Professors K. Abdul Jafar? The answer M.S. Dhoni. Who released the book Roller Coaster, An Affair with Banking? The answer is Tamal Bandyopadhyay. If you like this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. And in case of any comments, please do comment in the comment section below.